What's the meaning of carving knife? Carving knife. Carving knife.
Carving knife. Carving knife. A carving knife is a kitchen tool used for slicing cooked meats such as poultry, roasts or ham. The blade is long and narrow, often with a pointed tip, and is designed to make clean, precise cuts to create thin slices of meat. The sharpness and shape of the blade allows the user to get the most out of the meat by minimizing waste and maximizing portion sizes. A well-made carving knife can make the task of serving meats at dinner parties or holiday gatherings easier and more enjoyable.